Many of my students are really good at simple conversions, but they get very stuck when it comes to converting things like speed. For example, kilometers per hour, converting that into meters per second. That's tricky because there's two things to convert. There's a numerator and a denominator. So I want to show you how to handle conversions when you need to change two units at once. In this problem, we're asked to convert 30 kilometers per hour to meters per second. So you can see where the trouble is. I'm starting with kilometers. I need to end with meters in the numerator. I'm starting with hours. I need to end up with seconds in the denominator. It's a double conversion. I'm going to use the same techniques as though it's just converting one thing, but I'm going to have to do it twice basically. So with this technique, you got to write down what you're starting with. I'm starting with 30 kilometers per hour. I'm going to write that down. I'm going to give myself lots of room and then put my goal up there in mind. I want to figure out how this equals to meters per second. So here's my starting number, 30 kilometers per hour. Here's my goal to figure out how many meters per second that is. I'm going to need to convert kilometers and hours. Let's start with the easy one. Let's start with converting kilometers into meters. So I'm going to do this X and a line thing. I want to cancel or get rid of kilometers. So since it's on the numerator, I need to put it on the denominator to cancel. And I want to see how many meters that's equivalent to. So now I just need to know kilometers and meters, how are they related? And hopefully you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. That's how they're related. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So this first step right here is going to cancel kilometers for me. In other words, it's going to get me meters per hour. I don't want to just get to meters. I also want to change this hours into seconds. So I need one more conversion step, one more step to change that denominator. I want to cancel hours and figure out how many seconds that's equal to. Notice that the thing I want to cancel is in the denominator now. So to cancel something in the denominator, I'm going to have to put the same thing, hours, in the numerator. So to get rid of hours, I'm putting it in the numerator, and I want to figure out that in seconds. I'm going to put seconds now in the denominator. I'm aiming to get seconds in the denominator. So unit-wise, I'm canceling hours, figuring out seconds. So I just need to know hours and seconds, how are they related? And 1 hour is in 60 seconds. It's 60 minutes, and each minute is 60 seconds, so 1 hour is 60 times 60. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So this gets rid of hours and gets into seconds. So the whole setup now is to start with a 30, cancel the kilometers here, cancel the hours here. And to figure it out mathematically, I'm just going to go 30 times 1,000 divided by 1 times 1 divided by 3,600. Check it on your calculator. Make sure you should get 8.33 meters per second. So to convert something that's complicated and it's got 2 units, just break it into 2 separate steps. One where you convert the first thing, one where you convert the second thing. But notice that to convert the unit in the denominator, I need to put that unit in the numerator over here so it would cancel.